In today's vlog, my friends, we are in London and we're off to the bike shed for a full English breakfast.
Hang on a minute, what's going on here? Come back a bit. Who are you? You look like a younger version of Darren John. In fact, he could actually be, we'll go for LJ.
LJ.
Or Junior. Hashtag LJ or Junior.
Right.
Well, we're off in today's vlog. You've done that already. Were you trying to be me?
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
I think what we're doing is we're going to bring in, this is, by the way, for anyone who's not met him and is new to the channel, this is Darren John's son. We'll go with Junior, I think. I like Junior.
I'll take that.
Yeah, you'll take Junior. So we're off to the bike shed today. We've got bikes behind us here. I've got my Super 73 and I'm going to pole up to the bike shed with all these on my electric cycle. We're going to have a full English breakfast. Are you having a full English?
I'll see. See what takes my fancy. But
It doesn't look like you eat full English.
well,
Maybe
not very often.
If you're going to be on this channel a lot, this figure's going to change.
Out there.
Yeah. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button
And click the bell for future notifications.
and when I upload new videos, and thumbs up.
Thumbs up, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, thumbs up anyway, sure.
Thumbs up anyway, especially for this guy, for Junior. Now, without further ado, my friends, can you do that? Let's go.
Let's go!
Right, so here we are at the bike shed. Got DJ over here and we got Junior over there. Before we go any further, take a look around, my friends. Well, there you go. That's a motorcyclist heaven here. It really is. You can do everything. You can have the full English breakfast. You can have whatever you want. In fact, we're going to take a look at the menu in a minute. DJ's going to have his haircut. You can even have your haircut here. That's right. You can pop in, take off your helmet, and then get your haircut. Yeah. Come in with helmet hair. Go out with. I think you need to have a look at this. Actually, do you think he needs his haircut?
Give you a before and after.
Right, so I've ordered coffee, got a latte, got an orange juice. You can tell we're in London. Before we go any further, take a closer look at the menu, my friends. Right, I think it's got to be done. I think we'll have a Caesar salad. Nah. You know, I get lots of comments, why don't you do a salad? Would you like to see me do a salad? Or would you prefer to see a full English breakfast? Comments down below. Anyway, I'm going to go for the full English, which is here on this side. And it's the full bike shed breakfast, which is Cumberland sausage, black pudding, shed-made beans, homemade beans, mushrooms, grilled tomatoes, sourdough toast, which I like, 2 eggs, any style, obviously going to have them white over the top, streaky bacon, or you can swap for slow-cooked pork belly bacon for an extra £1. I might just do both and go for it. That's £12.50. Incidentally, DJ's done a video here as well. I'll put the link to that at the end of this video, and you can have a look at his video as well. I'm looking forward to this. Yeah, going to mark this out of 10. I want you guys to mark it out of 10 as well. Obviously on looks and price and etc. Remember and bear in mind this is London, so London prices, and I don't know, is it going to include a service charge? Controversial. Before, I mean, how cool is that? And before anybody else says it, by the way, I'm going to say full English with a side of carbon dioxide. got a junior laughing there.
Exhaust fumes, you know, it adds to the ambiance, as they say. So.
Look at that. You've had your ears lowered.
I have.
Yeah. Only took about 4 hours. So I've actually ordered, by the way, these sauces, the sauce shop, they are excellent sauces. I actually filmed these guys for the Nottingham Post Business Awards. They're based in Nottingham, so you can get their sauces, by the way, if you go online. And I'm not sponsored, before anyone says. However, sauce shop, if you're watching, I'm open for offers. You know, 15 grand, I'll have it tattooed on my arm. But they've got a website, and where's the website? Sauceshop.co. There you go, check them out. Great sauce, by the way. When I did film them, they gave me a couple of the tomato ketchup ones, and it's gorgeous. Right, my friends, so here we go. We have got the full English here, basically. Going to use the sauce from the sauce shop, not sponsored. Here we go, look at that, I've got to get some of that on. I mean, that is proper. Right, so we're going to go in for this. First off, we've got the good quality sausage there. A little bit of a bend in it as well. So we've got the we've got the eggs there, over easy, done to my liking. A little bit of healthy salad on there as well, look. The homemade beans, and then the bacon that I upgraded there. Upgraded the bacon for £1, and that looks gorgeous. We're going to go in for the beans first. There we go. Yeah, I've really got the nice taste of that. Bit of carbon dioxide coming through as well. But the beans are nice beans. Controversial though, homemade. That sausage is a damn good quality sausage. Look at that, butcher's sausage. Oh yeah. Black pudding. Now, I'm going to go in for the bacon. Here we go. Controversial, that. Wow. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to eat this, come back to you, and then we'll, nice triumph there, then we'll mark it out of 10. See you guys in a minute. Oh yeah. Right, my friends, 1 second. There we go, another bit of carbon dioxide, there we go. Anyway, so first things first, let's get down to the bill. It comes to a total of £72.06. Here's a copy of the receipt. We had 4 lattes while we were waiting 3 hours for DJ to have his haircut. And, and then we had 1 Americano, 5 fresh orange juice, we had the 2 breakfasts there, 2 extra toast, an egg, and then 2 extra, and then extra sausage. Discretionary service charge, controversial, of £8.01 there. It does go to them, so I left it on. It's in London. As a norm, I would take it off, but I ain't got any cash to give them, so there we go. Let's get down to business. The breakfast itself, I wouldn't have got, if I had it again, I would go for the normal bacon. And I have to say, no pressure, I got DJ there, I personally like normal beans. I like my cheap beans, you know, my Aldi beans and stuff. But, you know, they were, not to take anything away, they were nice. Good quality sausage, a little bit of a bend in it. Toast not pre-buttered. I enjoyed it, I have to say, very nice. Side of carbon dioxide. I'm going to go, bikes are lovely, by the way, lots of Triumph here. If you love bikes, by the way, joking aside, great place, beautiful location, sun shining down. What more do you want? If it's a biker's dream, really, isn't it? I'm going to go score-wise, good quality, enjoyed it. 8.9. 8.9. We're going to hand you over now to Junior, who's going to give his score. So, sit tight, ladies.
Score out of 10. 10 for me. I don't normally go for full English or the works because I don't like baked beans, but these were like slightly Mexican, I'd say, bike shed beans. So yeah, had a few more spices in there, different types of beans, and yeah, not your normal kind of tomato sauce on it. So Yeah, 10. Sausages, unbelievable. Bacon, I really enjoyed the pork belly, a little bit different. What else to say? Everything on the plate was pretty up there, so 10 out of 10.
Oh, just that scrambled egg. Spot on.
So there you go. That's the bike shed in here. I'll put the details in the description down below. And if you're in London and you like bikes, highly recommend it. So there you go. That's all from me today. Noisy motorbikes, eh? Noisy. Just go electric.
Look where you are.
Yeah. Anyway, that's all from me today. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll put this guy's video on the end and his channel. Head over and have a look at his channel. If you like bikes, this guy has got a lovely bike, a Ducati Daisy Duke. There you go.
Street Fighter V2.
Street Fighter V2. That's all from us today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.